Hi everyone! In this video I will show you 3 methods of wireless connection for HP NY6120E, including Wi-Fi Direct. Also I will show you how to set up this printer on any device using HP Smart application, how to start printing and scanning. Let's get into it. I assume your printer is ready to work. I mean, you've installed the ink cartridges, loaded some paper in the paper tray, the printer is powered on and this Wi-Fi indicator is blinking blue. And now let's connect the printer to a network. The first and the easiest connection method is Wi-Fi protected, or WPS. To use this method, tap on Menu, then find Settings, tap on Network, Wi-Fi, and scroll down a little bit to find Wi-Fi protected setup, and tap on Start next to it. And now you have 2 options: push the physical WPS button on your router or enter PIN. Use the second option if you don't have physical WPS button on your router, or if your router, for example, is located somewhere on the next floor and it's not so handy to go there and push the physical button and go back. So you can access the web-based configuration page for this router and enter this pin in the WPS section. Apply to your user manual to get there, but now let's just press the physical button. So tap on Push button, tap Start. Next, take your Wi-Fi router and find WPS button on it and press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. Now wait for the connection. If you see this screen WPS has timed out or repeat the action, just tap on Retry, tap on Start, press the button on your router and wait once again. Make sure your router is broadcasting Wi-Fi. Once again, apply to your user manual to find out how to make sure. Now WPS connection is in progress and it says not connected, but just wait for a couple of seconds and you see that connection is successful. It's updating an IP address. Now everything is fine. You can scroll down to see your network information, MAC address, host name, and so on. And also you can print report about this connection, but we don't need it so far. Let's tap OK, go home, and let me show you the second connection method. If in some reason WPS connection didn't work, you can connect the printer manually. To do this, once again tap on the menu button and find Settings. Go to Network, Wi-Fi, and tap on the Start button next to Wi-Fi Setup. Start. It's searching for Wi-Fi routers. This is the list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. You need to find your router in this list and connect to 2.4 GHz or to 5 GHz band. The first one has wider range, the second one has the faster network speed. So let me connect to 5 GHz band because my router is just on my table. Tap Next, tap on Wi-Fi password and enter your password. Use this on-screen keyboard just like on Android devices. Where is backspace? Backspace is in the text field over here. Tap on this eye icon to see what you type in and tap OK. Tap Submit. Check your information and once again you can show password to check if it's correct. Tap OK and it's trying to connect to the network. Connection successful. It's getting the IP address once again, and as before you can scroll down to see the network information and print the report. But let's tap on OK, go home, And finally, let me show you how to enable Wi-Fi direct connection so that you will be able to connect your devices directly to the printer without connection to a shared network. So tap on Menu, go to Settings, Network, and this time tap on Wi-Fi direct. Toggle this switcher to enable Wi-Fi direct. Answer yes in this window, and tap on View Details. Here you can see your Wi-Fi direct name and scroll down to see Wi-Fi direct password. So you can print these details or just write down this password and continue on your computer or smartphone. There are two ways to connect any device to this printer now. The first way is to connect your computer or smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer. You can use both 5 GHz band or 2.4 GHz band. The point is to be connected to the same Wi-Fi router. Also, you can connect to the printer directly. To do this, find your printer's network name. 6100E series is what you need. Click on this network name, click on Connect or tap on Connect on smartphone. If you see this link, connect using a password instead, click on that and enter your Wi-Fi direct password from the printer's display or from print report and click Next. Now it's checking network requirements. Wait for about 1 minute and it will be connected. So now it's connected, but keep in mind when you connect it directly to the printer you don't have an internet access because you are disconnected from your router. So let's connect back to the internet connected network and finish set up our printer. So connect. Now it's connected, and to set up your printer on any device you need to install HP Smart application. It's available in Microsoft Store, in App Store, in Google Play Store for any device, for any operating system, and it's really smart. It installs drivers, updates your firmware, allows you to print and scan and do more things. So this is one all-in-one application. Install it, wait for installation, and then open the app. Click Yes in this window if you use Windows, and accept all the terms and conditions or decline optional data. Let HP Smart access your precise location. This is necessary, so click Yes. And before start using this application, I recommend you to log into your HP account or create one if you don't have. This is necessary because without account you can't use all these features in this application. They force you to create an account. It's very easy, so let me skip the step of account creation. I already have one and I logged in. So if you don't have, just click on this icon and create and log into your account. And next click on Add Printer. Make sure you are connected to the same network as your printer once again, and it's searching for printers. Ignore the antivirus. If the printer is not found, try to switch to another Wi-Fi band, but to the same router. Click on Connect and tap on Search again. Now your printer is found, it's online, you can click on its tile. Now it's getting print driver information. Just be patient and wait here. Now the driver is successfully installed. Just click on Continue. And the printer is added to your system. If you go to your Windows settings or Mac settings and go to Printers and Scanners, you will see that HP NY6100E series is added to your system. So now you can print from any application that allows you to do it. For example, let's say you want to print an email. So open your mail application, mail service, find email you wish to print, click on that, click on the printer icon, and it's waiting for printer connection. Now your printer is selected here. If you don't see this printer in this list, try to restart your computer and it should appear here. Now you can see your mail preview. You can scroll down to see all pages. Next, select which pages do you want to print, odd, even, all of them, or custom. You can enter a range for, let's say, from 1 to 3, or you can enter comma separated values and it will print only page number 1 and page number 3. Set number of copies you wish to make, set layout, portrait or landscape, set color, click on more settings, set your paper size, how many pages per sheet do you wish to print. It will look like this. You can print up to 16 pages per one sheet. Set margins. By the way, you can set custom margins and adjust like this and see the result in your preview. Printing quality, 300 dpi is good for document. Upscale or downscale your document. You can set to default or set to custom and enter value over here, and your document will be upscaled. Enable two-sided printing if you want. If you need to print two-sided A4, select flip on long edge, and if you need to fold A4 to double A5, select flip on short edge to print a booklet like this. Now you have additional options, headers and footers. I think this is date and time, something like this. And you can enable background graphics, but as I know, Gmail doesn't have background graphics. Once you're done, just tap on print and your printer will do its job. So now it's printing on the first side, and right away it will put the paper back to print on the second side, so don't take your paper sheet now. And it's ready, two-sided as was promised, and that's it. And of course you can print right from the HP Smart application. You can print documents and photos, but in the case of Windows PC you can print only documents and photos from your file system in this way. I won't show you this again because the settings are pretty same. I will show you how to scan better. So click on the scan tile and let's adjust the settings first. So if you want to manually detect the edges of your document, you need to check this checkbox or uncheck it to detect automatically. I recommend you to do this, to check this checkbox. Now select preset, document or photo. We will scan document. Now switch between different paper sizes. We will scan A4, and also you can switch to entire scan area and detect the edges of the document later, or scan few small documents on one scan area on one page. Now select output, color or grayscale, and select compression. Let's set to low compression, and resolution up to 1200 dpi, but 300 is more than enough for documents. And now you need to place the document correctly in the scanning unit. To do this, open the scanning unit lid, and now you need to place your document, and the side you wish to scan must be put facing down like this, and the top left corner of your document must be aligned with this shaded corner on the scanning surface. So put the document facing down, align the corners, and make sure that edges of your document are fit snugly to the borders of the scanning surface. And check your paper size using these markers on the borders, and once you're done, just close the scanning lid and continue to the application. In the application, check your settings. Also, you can click on this magic wand over here and enable auto enhancements of brightness and contrast of your pictures, and enable auto orientation just in case you've put the document upside down like this. So check your settings and click on the scan button and wait for the result. So the scanner is making some robotic sounds. It's completely normal. Now you can adjust the document edges. That's why you need to adjust them manually, because sometimes it fails to adjust the borders correctly. You can select auto detect, but as you can see in this case it isn't working. Or click on full to select the full scan area and adjust borders manually once again. Now click on apply. And what you can do now you can click on these three dots at the top right corner of the document and replace this sheet, delete this scan or edit this scan. It's loading. In this menu you can crop your document to standard size, let's say A4, or letter, or custom, just drag the corners. Let's crop to A4 because it's A4. Adjust brightness, saturation, contrast, and so on. Apply filters to the document, add text, mark up your document with different colors, and click done when you've done your editings. And next you can add another page to your document. You have some options here. You can use camera, but there is frontal camera of laptop, so there is no reason to scan with the camera on laptop. Use this feature on smartphone better. But you can import picture from your file system. Close this window, click on import, and select picture you wish to add to your file. Let's say this one. Click on open. Now you need to detect edges manually or automatically, or click on full to capture the full image. Click on apply. And now you have two pages in your document. You can switch between them, edit each page separately, drag and drop to reorder. You can add more pages from scanner. Just click here, insert new document, or just turn your page in the scanning unit, close, delete, click on scan. Now detect edges, apply, and do it as many times as you need to scan the full document. You can scan any agreement, any book, and then you can save your file, send fax, use printing shortcuts, share your file if you have sharing functions set up on your PC or smartphone, or print it right away. For this example, let's just save the file. You need to select file type, use PDF for documents because PDF only supports multi-page document. Set compression or save without compression, and rename your file in this field if you need, and click on save. Select location, let it be in documents, click save one more time. Your file has been saved. Now you can close this window and turn back. You can scan more pages to this document, and by the way, you can adjust settings for each page, so you can combine color and grayscale, low and medium compression, low and high resolution, for example 300 for documents and higher resolutions for photos, and so on. Once you're done, just go back to the home screen and continue using your application. HP Smart for smartphones has pretty same interface, but with the difference that they have cool copy feature. You can take pictures of your documents and copy them right away. So you can use manual mode to take pictures and adjust borders manually, just like on PC, or set to auto and auto detect your documents like this, and right away you can replace this document with another one and scan a batch of document in seconds. Now switch back to manual to stop scanning and tap on this thumbnail icon at the top right. Now you can set number of copies you wish to make, 1, 2 or more, and just like on printers, display start black or start color. Also you can resize, original size, fit to page or fill page like this, and start copying. Your documents for sure will be copied, or if you wish to add more pages, just like in scanning application, click on add document, take a picture, and that's pretty it, guys. And let me end up this video with a troubleshooting section. If your printer can't connect to the network or your devices can't find your printer, you can reset wireless settings and reconnect the printer from scratch. To do this, tap on menu In this menu, select Tools, tap on Maintenance, Restore Settings, and restore network settings only. Don't restore all factory defaults, you don't need it if you have just network issues. So tap on Restore, tap on Yes, it's restoring network defaults. Now tap OK, and you can go to home screen. Now the Wi-Fi indicator on your printer is blinking again, and you can connect the printer from scratch. And that's pretty it for today. Now you know everything about wireless connection of this printer, you know how to start using HP Smart application, and I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.